This is my 2022 Honda Grom, candy blue. Take you around and show you a few things. This is my stretch kit from the Ruck Shop. It's a 4.5 inch stretch. I'm riding a 2.5 inch lowering link with the progressive shock there. That little switch is my rock lights. Got that one there and one up in there somewhere. So, it's on Shenko tires, white walls. On this side, you got your TST frame sliders. And TST undertail bolts. Have your TST integrated tail light there with the Yoshimura fender delete. TST blue bolts there. Get your fake Yoshimura there. That's a Amazon OG Grom high mount exhaust. This little blue oil cap I added there. Yoshimura intake with a blue filter. Up here, a little carbon fiber surround for the gas tank with CNC blue bolts. With the bar end mirrors here, CNC there, also blue. Blue and black Honda Grom grips, MXX 125. Your clutch and brake covers there. Levers, brake cover, reservoir cover, little key cover there. You got your TST Echo Pods there, little blue rings, more TST little bolts up here for the headlight. Your Pro Taper Honda mini bars. That's that. Yeah. So, got 2,107 miles. I'll let you hear it. Front lights stay on with the headlight. I'll let it warm up here for a second. Has a DHM cam, and the tuning was done by CJR Racing. About 70 miles an hour with no problems. Yep, that's about it. I'll give you one last little sound clip. Thanks for watching.